Welcome back to my channel again. I'm glad having you at Learn French with Queen. Okay, so today we'll be looking at how to respond to some of the greetings. In my last video, we looked at possible ways of greeting people in French, and today we'll be looking at some of those responses we can give, because language is a dynamic way of communication, so we don't have to be static at our means of communication. We have various means of responding to people. So in today's video, we'll be looking at some of those ways or some of the means at which we can give a response back to somebody via our greeting. So let's start. So when we want to greet someone in French language, the first thing to say is salut, or you say bonjour. The rightful thing to say is bonjour. You greet the person first, and you can then ask, how are you doing? After you greeted the person, bonjour, like good morning, how are you doing? So that's the next question to ask. So when you ask how are you doing, you can either say comment tu vas, or comment vous allez, or comment allez-vous, whichever format you want to use to say it. Then there will be a response to the person that is actually asking you the question. Someone is asking you the question, comment tu vas, comment vous allez. So it's a question, they're asking you a question. So you can either reply with some responses. So the responses are what we are looking at in today's video. So we have an example of saying je vais bien. You can respond by saying je vais bien or ça va bien, like je vais bien, ça va bien. You can as well respond by saying ça va. You can decide to just say ça va, merci. So it's not necessary that when they greet you, comment tu vas or est-ce que tu te portes bien, you answer by just saying ça va bien or je vais bien. You can either say ça va or ça va bien, or you can just say je vais bien, or you could even as well say très bien. Someone can ask you est-ce que tu te portes bien or comment ça va. You can just say bien, or you can answer by just saying très bien, like I'm good, I'm very very good. You can answer by saying je me porte bien, yeah, I'm doing well, I'm doing good. Everything actually means I am fine, I'm doing good, but it comes in different formats. Oui, je me porte bien. Ça va bien. Ça va bien. Ça va. Oui, oui. Various ways of replying people. You can actually even respond by saying je suis bien. Tu te portes bien. Je suis bien. You can answer by saying oh, je me porte à merveille. Ça va, comment tu vas? Oui, je me porte à merveille. Et toi? Or et vous? And you, by asking the person back. So you can also say super bien. You can answer by saying super bien. You can even answer by saying Dieu merci, like oh, we thank God. Or you can say je remercie Dieu. Ah, I thank God. How are you today? Dieu merci. How are you today? You can say super bien. Super bien. How are you today? You can say je me sens bien. So you can just say je me sens bien. Is it here? Je me sens bien. Yeah, I'm doing well. I'm doing great today. You could as well say je me porte à merveille or je me porte à merveilleux. Whichever format you want to use to say it, you can say je me porte à merveille or je me porte à merveilleux. You could as well say je me porte merveilleusement bien. Je me porte merveilleusement bien. Whichever format, language is not something that is just static, that you just have to say the same thing over and over again. So I hope you've learned different ways of responding to people in today's video. So next time when someone is greeting you, you don't necessarily have to say ça va bien or je vais bien. You can say je me porte à merveille. You can say je me sens bien. You can say Dieu merci. You can say je remercie Dieu. You can say très bien. You can say super bien. So there are various means of just replying people. So I hope with this video you find it useful to know how to diversify your response when you're talking with people, because communication is key in our daily activities. So I hope you find this video useful. So let me know at the comment section how useful you found this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you find it useful. Share to your friends and loved ones who love this content, and don't forget as well to subscribe. So till the next time, à bientôt.